So we've got a nasty one for you today, full of mould, if you can see. We're going to show you the best way to treat it, get rid of it, and bring this car back to life. So yeah, I'm going to show you the ins and outs. Ooh, look at the colour of them. I don't even want to touch it yet. But look at that, I'll show you. Yes. So we've got our hands full today. Take you to this side of the car. Ooh. We've got a bit of mould everywhere. We're going to go in with the Autosmart Brisk. Works as a living organism. It's going to eat the mould alive. We're going to leave it on for half an hour, let it do its magic, and then it'll be safe and sound for us to come in with a steamer, hoovers, drill brush, and get rid of all the mess. Oh, I don't think the back door's working. But if you can see into the back, it's not too clever in there either. Headlines, oh, nearly put my head on that. Yeah, the headline's seen better days. Right, so first of all, we're going to Brisk the of it. Let's go. Alright, so this is the Brisk from Autosmart. We're just going to lace it. Oh, it'd help if it was working, the bottle. Oh. There we go. Right, let's get it. Just make sure you get this product all over the car, everywhere the mould is, and it can start doing its magic on its own for you. Like I said before, make sure you get it all over. Even if you think you're overspraying, you're probably not. Make sure you don't forget the headliner. Ah! Nah, easy bro, you going? Yes bro, you going? Good to see you, man.
Cheese! I can already smell the... So what's that you're putting? That's that mixture from the blue bottle?
Yeah, this is the Brisk. It's got to lace this everywhere. Let it do its magic for a bit, and then it's safe for us to go in for the kill.
Yeah.
The one day I forget gloves, man.
What's the worst bit of the mould that you normally get inside with the ceiling?
It's everywhere, like wherever it is. No, it's no good to have mould in your car, whatever it is, but it happens so fast, doesn't it?
Well, to be fair, it's my own fault. Well, went on holiday. So first of all, I was driving, and this car never had any lights on it at all. It doesn't even have any text on it, you know, nothing on it. For the first time, everything lit up like a Christmas tree. ABS, power
Everything.
steering, everything.
Oh my god.
Luckily I was only around there.
Yeah.
Drove it in, stiff as anything.
Oh no, power steering gone.
Everything. Yeah.
Ah.
Got to here. Right, okay.
What is going on?
I'll pull it up here and then I'll carry on after. No. As soon as I stopped out on the curb
And turned it off, it was done.
engine completely wouldn't start over. So I bought a new battery and that worked with it, but yada yada yada. So I put my windows down
Oh no.
and I pushed it. Yeah. Driver's side, you can press it once, both ways, up, press it hold, and it'll go up automatically. That one, you can press down once and it'll go all the way down. You've got to press and pull and hold to bring it up. Right. Forgot about that.
Oh.
For a week, and it's got and we hit records of rainfall.
Oh no.
Didn't think of it at all, and it got so I got my
Oh no.
I'll sort this out in a few days. So 3 days later, 10 days after it all happened, walked past, and I'm looking at it like this. Where that that window's open.
Oh no.
Shit you not, there's a puddle about that much in the footwell.
Oh.
On that side. And then it's got an all in there, and then from there it's just
Spread, hasn't it? Spreads like wildfire. As soon as it's in, it's in. But this stuff like kills it to the point of it not being able to come back.
Right, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So we've got Tommy with us today on the Hoover. Give us a wave, Tommy boy.
Don't be putting me in your videos for tax purposes.
Yeah, it's not Tommy, it's Ronnie. Yo. And burnt my head then. I was thinking, surely you can't do it twice in a row by mistake. And I've no hair on the top of my head.
Is it that that was getting you the shit I was on purpose?
Yeah, every time. Thought it was Slick Rick about it, didn't he, until I got on the jet wash. And pretended to get him as well.
He's a fucking nasty man, isn't he? You know, to think like, right, I'm just gonna fucking soak him and pretend I'm not even doing it. You got the one for you?
Oh yeah.
Like, I'm alright, drinking.
Ah, nice one, bro. Thank you.
I'm gonna jump in the shower, so just if you need any more.
Yeah, I will do. Nice one, bro. Thank you. Oh.
Right fucking stubborn bits in this.
Yeah, when it's stubborn, drill it. Yeah, some will be, bro. I've got a magic trick for that anyway. You can around here, yeah? Yeah, I'm going to just start wiping everywhere that's not been wiped. Go on, do it again. Give the vents a little steam out. Give the vents, look at the vents. So we're blasting steam through it and it's going through all the vents. Clearing out anything clogged up in there. Right, so we're just doing the final touches now. Get a little bit of dry shampoo on. And you can just leave this stuff to dwell and do the magic. So we're just coming up to the last little bits. Let's go! Oh. Get all these last little bit of dog hair up. I don't know how I got down there, but oh, there's your boat. Right guys, so I guess you all want to see the final product. Let's have a look then. Mold free. All nice and hoovered, seats got washed and steamed. You could eat your dinner on this now. Lovely stuff. Obviously you're going to have a little bit of mould damage, but at least it's not dangerous anymore. All the steering wheel got a steam, nice and drivable again. But yeah, thank you for watching guys. And if you've enjoyed it, make sure you drop a comment saying you've enjoyed it and where you're watching it from. If you haven't enjoyed it, keep it to yourself. And thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a subscribe button guys. I'll see you on the next one. We've got a few goodies for you.